Hey everyone, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and I am really looking forward to sharing this beautiful all-natural floral perfume recipe with you. It's actually from my Aromahead app, and it is a great recipe. So pretty. So it involves vanilla jojoba as its base, and we're going to make it in a 1 ounce beautiful amber glass bottle. And in fact, the vanilla jojoba is such a beautiful perfume base for any kind of perfume oil. So instead of pouring, I have a lot of vanilla jojoba, so instead of pouring right into that little bottle, I'm just going to go ahead and pour into a beaker because it just makes it a little easier to get the oil into the bottle. And we're gonna have a full ounce of the vanilla jojoba as the base, and then we'll add the essential oils, okay? Ready? So I'll just pour it in, and we'll fill it up just to the neck of the bottle, so it's not all the way full, but pretty close. And there we go, that's good. That vanilla aroma, I mean, this could just be a perfume all on its own. Even without any essential oils, it's so nourishing. What a smell. But we are going to put oils in. We're going to put in 5 drops of Ylang Ylang. Do you know Ylang Ylang? Such a beautiful tree. In full bloom, you can smell the flowers from a whole block away. I love the smell. I love the smell from our tree. We have a tree right in our yard. Even just opening the bottle, I can smell it. And it smells very tropical. It's one of those florals that is very sunny and soft and deep and very, very intense aroma, beautiful aroma. So we're gonna put 5 drops in, and that will be a lot, plenty for a perfume. So the ylang and vanilla, they belong together. They frequently grow in the same climate, and they just feel like they belong together. Perfect. So then I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. And then I'm gonna put in 2 drops of rose, distilled rose. And that is just beautiful too. And we only need 2 drops in here in order to beautifully blend the aromas so you can still smell both. So I'm gonna put in my 2 drops of rose, and then I'm gonna add neroli. So now you see why it's a floral perfume, right? All 3 essential oils are great florals. The rose is such a typical rose aroma that's so recognizable for everyone, whereas the ylang is a little more unusual. And then, oh my gosh, you get the citrusy floral of the neroli. It's perfect. I'm gonna put 3 drops of the neroli in. Okay, let's see. Here comes 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh. So now I've got all these different interesting floral aromas together and the vanilla. I'm gonna just give it a nice little shake, and then you're free to use it however you want. You could even use it as a body moisturizer. You could just dab it, typically like you do for a perfume, and it will just allow you to feel so surrounded by the aromas of these flowers. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. All right, take care. Bye for now.